Mga fans ka dyan, family and friends, please batiin mo. Greet them sa mga friends or relatives mo na nandito just to shake up and feel the confidence over you.
Good evening, everyone.
Ayan, parang nilalabis ang ating kandidata ngayon. But then, again, I am requesting everyone to please refrain from any noise para makapag-answer ng mabuti ang ating candidates for tonight. And she may use any languages as long as she expounds well kung ano ang nabunod niya ngayon. Proceed sa ating pagbunod. At ang iyong nabunod ay #One Barangay, One Goal. Again, #One Barangay, One Goal.
One Barangay, One Goal. I believe ang pagkakaisa ay susi ng ating pagunlad. Kung iisa lang po ang ating layunin, madali lang po natin makamit ang ating tagumpay. I believe One Barangay, One Goal at sama-sama po tayo para sa ating magandang kinabukasan. And I thank you.
Thank you. And proceed to Binibini number 2. Binibini number 2, how are you?
I feel so scared, but I know I can do it.
Yeah, that's the spirit for tonight's event. Go, grabe ang fighting spirit ng ating candidate number 2. Now, you may now pick your hashtag. And your hashtag is #YouthEmpowered. Again, #YouthEmpowered.
#YouthEmpowered is seeing young women who are aware of the worth, their rights, and their ability to create change. Because I believe youth empowered is youth in action with courage, compassion, and a vision for a better tomorrow. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Binibini number 2, for that very short and sweet, very brave notes. She expounds well kung ano ang kanyang nabuhat. Let's proceed to Binibini number 3. Binibini number 3, baka may gusto kang batiin ngayon, mga friends mo, family, or relatives na nandito ngayon.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank the people behind this while I am here. I would like to thank my family, our beloved Purok leader, and the people of Purok Dos San Jose for the support. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, now let's proceed to pick your hashtag. And your hashtag is #Proud to be Barangay. Proud to be Barangay. #Proud to be Barangay.
As a proud daughter of Barangay Malativas, I carry the spirit of unity, resilience, and compassion that defines what it means to be part of a barangay. #Proud to be Barangay is celebrating our roots, our shared struggles, and our collective victories. I am proud because Barangay Malativas shows that even in simplicity there is strength. In every cleanup drive, in every biting hand, and in every smiling face welcomes you home. Being proud of your barangay means being involved and being ready to uplift one another. So tonight, I stand here not just to represent beauty, but to represent purpose. Because Barangay Malativas is united, brave, and unstoppable.
Thank you, Binibini number 3, for the very wonderful answer. Now let's proceed to Binibini number 4. Binibini number 4, how are you today?
I feel nervous, but I'm enjoying it right now.
Right. Again, dyan po ang ating Binibini number 4. And now, you may now pick your hashtag. And your hashtag is hashtag Youth for Change. Again, hashtag Youth for Change.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Youth for Change begins with the access of quality education, not just academic, but that's all about skills development, such as leadership skills, public speaking skills, and also life skills. Because I believe that our young people is the future of our barangay. And I believe that we are investing in our young people, we are investing in our future. And I believe we can do our barangay better and a pace of safe and empower and environmental. I believe that our barangay will make to be a model of hope, progress, and prosperity. A place where everything will feel valued and empowered. Because I believe together we could build a better future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. BDB number 4. And now let us proceed to BDB number 5. BDB number 5, baka may gusto bang batiin sa ating mga fans ngayon?
Good evening everyone, especially sa mga taga-Purok 1B o shout out kay Mike Padan at sa iyong mga fellow dance member.
Ayan, napaka-confident ang ating BDB number 5, and you will pick your hashtag. At ang nabulot mo ay hashtag eco-friendly barangay. Again, hashtag eco-friendly barangay.
Hashtag eco-friendly barangay. Eco-friendly barangay is not just about planting trees. It's about creating a habit it's about creating a habit that respects and protects the nature every day. A clean, green barangay shows that every person who lives there do not just care for themselves, but for each other. I'm sorry, I will retake my answer. Eco-friendly barangay is not just about planting trees. It's about creating a habit that protects and respects nature every day. A clean, green, and peaceful barangay means that shows that every people who lives there do not just care for themselves, but for each other.
Thank you so much, BDB number 5, for a great answer. Now let's proceed to BDB number 6. BDB number 6, baka may gusto kang batiin ngayon. Just greet them sa iyong mga kasama mo ngayon. I-greet mo sila.
Good evening everyone, especially sa mama ako at sa
Andiyan ang mama mo, sumusupport ka sa iyo all the way. No? Okay na? Yes, you will pick your hashtag. At ang nabulot mo ay hashtag SK para sa barangay. Again, hashtag SK para sa barangay.
SK para sa barangay. For me, it means serving our barangay. We are often told we are the nation. We are often told we are the home of the nation. As a youth, we serve the barangay, serve our barangay.
Thank you so much. And now let's proceed to our last Binibini, Binibini number 7. Binibini number 7, how are you tonight? Ang atong Binibini number 7, igulbahan daw siya. To ease your nervousness, i-greet ang imuhang mga friends, imuhang mga family na nasa Otubangan.
Good evening, everyone. Shout out sa Rock 5 Manali.
Ayan, nag-shoutout po siya sa Group 5 Manali. You know, pick your hashtag. And your hashtag is hashtag SK Servicio. Again, hashtag SK Servicio. Ladies and gentlemen, that drops off our preliminary